Hi, I'm Kyle. This is the Monarch 10EE built in 1946, January. It's been sitting in a machine shop for the last 20 years. I picked it up on Craigslist and I'm working on restoring it. So what I'm going to do today is mostly take grime off the paint here, and then I already sort of cleaned up this compound slide, so working my way kind of down the frame. I'll probably start on the back side and switch to the front side, and I'm going to make a little time lapse that you guys can watch, and hope you enjoy. So I made some progress. As you can see, there's really a lot to it, but I think a couple more weeks and this thing should be good to go. There's definitely some mechanical work to do on it after I get it clean. Disassemble the thing you saw me working on over here, which is the taper attachment. It's missing some parts. So I'll probably disassemble it and take some measurements and maybe fabricate some of those on the mill, just so this thing works again. It's pretty cool. The vernier scale is still there. It's you can cut all sorts of stuff with it, like taper threads or maybe even little tool changer tapers. Yeah, I think the first thing is there's a belt, and then finish getting it cleaned up. A few socket heads missing that I'll replace. And then I fill it up with oil and plug it into a phase converter, and it should be good to run. Then once everything's in good working order and I've got some parts on it, I'll probably get a digital readout for it next and maybe fabricate a shelf to go up here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and tune in. I guess I'll keep working on this guy and post some videos. Thanks. I'm Kyle.